Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to set and operate this watch, Casio AE-1000. And yes, if you want to know more about this watch, I will put the link in the description for the review. Okay, now we need to be in the timekeeping mode and it will look like this, but if not, then you will need to press the mode button several times until you hear the high pitch or high tone beeping sound. That one. Okay. Now, if you want to know which city is now active for the T1 city for this timekeeping mode, easy, just press the adjust button on the top left. And it shows for my watch is PKK, this one. Okay, so just press and not press and hold. Okay, now, if you want to change the city, so actually for the timekeeping mode, this watch has T1, T2, T3 and T4. So to change that, easy, just press this one, the search button on the bottom right. This one, okay, so T2, T3 and T4 like this. Okay, and yes, next, if you want to activate the demo mode or the auto display, easy, just press and hold this one, the bottom right button, the search button, until it beeps like that, and it will show the 1, 2, 3 and 4 in sequence. Okay, so if you want to stop this auto display, easy, just press any button. Okay, next LCD check, and to do that, simple, just press 3 buttons at the same time, adjust, mode and this one, search. And the trick is to press adjust or the search button a bit earlier and then the other two. So you might want to hold the watch in this position and yeah, press all the 3 buttons, and now it shows this LCD check screen. And then you can press this search button to move to the next LCD check screen like this. Okay, again, and now it shows the watch program or firmware. Okay, and press again, now returns to the timekeeping mode. Okay, now if you want to activate the backlight, easy, just press this one, the light button on the top right. Okay, and next, if you want to activate the button mute operation or silent button operation, easy, just press and hold the this one, the mode button. Okay, and it will shows this mute indicator active. So now if I press any button, it will not make any beeping sound. But anyway, this will only silent or mute the button operation, but for the alarm, signal and also the timer still gives beeping sound. Okay, and if you want to deactivate for the mute or the silent button operation, easy, the same thing, press and hold the mode button from any mode. Okay, and now let's set the time and date for the timekeeping mode of this watch. And to do that, easy, first press and hold the adjust button on the top left like this. Okay, and now the second is flashing or blinking, and you can reset the second by pressing this one, the search button. And if it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute like this, and if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute like this. Okay, now let's press the mode button, and it is moving to the setting of this one, the daylight saving. If you want to activate, just press this search button, and if you want to deactivate, also the same button, so choose whichever suit for your need. Okay, and press again the mode button, and now is the city. You can use these 2 buttons, the light and also this one, the search button. The light button will move to the west side of the map. Okay, and this one, the search button, will move to the east side of the map. Okay, now press again the mode button, and we will set the hour. So use these 2 buttons, the same thing. The light button will decrease, and this one, the search button, will increase. Okay, press again the mode button, and now is the minute, same thing. Light button will decrease, and this one, the search button, will increase. Again the mode button, and now is this one, the time format. So this is 12-hour format, 10 PM. If I press this search button, it will change to 24-hour format, 22 o'clock. Okay, press again the mode button, and now is the year. Same thing, these 2 buttons. So this one is like the counterclockwise, and this one is like the clockwise. Okay, again mode button, and now is the month, Same thing, this light button will decrease and this search button will increase. Again, mode button, and now is the date, the light button will decrease and the search button will increase. Okay, press again the mode button, and now is the length of the backlight. Easy, we have two options, this one 3 meaning 3 seconds of afterglow for the backlight, and press the search button, now 1 meaning 1.5 second of the afterglow of the backlight. So let's just set as 3 seconds. Okay, press again the mode button, and now returns to the setting of the second, and done. If you're done with the settings, just press this one, the adjust button, and it will save the setting, and you're done to set the timekeeping mode. Okay, now let's move on to set the T2, 3 and 4. So this one is T1, okay, and then we have T2, T3 and T4. So let's try to set the T2. This one T2 is NYC, and if you want to change that, easy, just press and hold this one, the adjust button on the top left, and yes, you can use these two buttons to change. The light button will move to the west side, and this one, the search button, will move to the east side. So yeah, let's try to use this one, Rio, okay, and after that press the mode button, and now we can set the daylight saving for that city. So if I want to activate or deactivate, same button, this one, the search button, active or not active. So let's just activate for this one. Okay, press again the mode button, and now return to the city selection, and if you're done, press the adjust button on the top left. Okay, and same thing for T3 and also T4. You can do it by yourself. Anyway, if you want to use the T2, T3 or T4 to become T1, or you want to swap the T2, 3 or 4 with the T1, easy. For example, this one, T4 Paris. If I want to use this as T1, just press the adjust and light button at the same time, and now it become T1. Okay, and then the BKK becoming T4. And if I want to return using this one as the T1, easy, same thing, press the adjust and light button, and it will become T1. And now Paris becoming the T4 again. Okay, and that's all for the timekeeping and also T2, 3 and 4. Let's move on to the world time. Press the mode button, and now we are in the world time. So for this one, you can use the search button to change the city, but in this case you can only move to the east side of the map. And yeah, we cannot use the light button to move to the west side, because now it works as the light button, so it's not going to change the city. Okay, and if you want to activate the daylight saving of that city, easy, just press and hold the adjust button. Okay, now it's active, and if you want to deactivate, also the same thing. Okay, next, if you want to use that city as T1 in the timekeeping mode, or the home city in the timekeeping mode, easy, press this adjust and light button at the same time. So now, yes, the world time is PKK, and if I open the timekeeping mode, T1 is this one, Wellington. So now let swap back, PKK becoming T1, easy, same thing, press the adjust and light button. Okay, now let's move on to the next mode, and that is the alarm. Yes, this watch has 5 alarms, alarm number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one is the signal or the chime, which means it will give beeping sound every changing of the hour. So now let's start with the alarm number 1. So let's say I want to set alarm number 1 as 5, let's say not 30 but 5:35 in the morning. So what I need to do is first set the time, and to do that press and hold the adjust button on the top left. Okay, now is the hour. You can use these two buttons to change the number. This one will decrease and then this one will increase. Okay, press the mode button, and now the minute, this one will decrease and this one will increase. So let's say 5:35. Okay, press again the mode button, and now is the option 1 on, meaning it will be a one-time alarm, and if I press this one, the switch button, becoming on, it means a daily alarm. So which one that you want? And now let's just set as this one as the daily alarm. Okay, and then press again the mode button, and now returns to the setting of the hour. And if you're done with the setting, press this one, the adjust button. Okay, and then from this view we can change the alarm setting. So for example, this one 5:35 as a daily alarm. We can change the setting by pressing the adjust button, not press and hold, but just press, and this one is off, this one is one time, and this one is daily alarm on. So for example, if you want to use this alarm for Monday up to Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday you want to turn off, you can use this function. Okay, and now for the alarm number, so let me just set this one as daily alarm. Okay, and now for the alarm number 2, 3, 4 and 5, the same thing. And then next is the signal or chime. To activate, easy, just press the adjust button. And now you can see that here SIG is active, meaning that every changing of the hour, this watch will give a beeping sound. For the alarm, you can also do the sound check or the alarm sound check. Easy, just press and hold the search button, and it will give a beeping sound like this. Okay, now let's move on to the next mode, and that is this one, the timer. So let's start by setting the timer length, and let's say I want to set the length as 10 seconds, so we can see what happens after the timer finished. Okay, now to set the length, press and hold the adjust button on the top left. Okay, and this one is the setting of the hour. You can use the slide button to decrease and the search button to increase. So let's just set as 0, and then press the mode button, and now is the minute. So I will decrease using the light button to become 0. Okay, and then again mode button, and now let me increase this one to become 10 seconds. Okay, and done. And now press the mode button, and yeah, returns to the setting of the hour. And if you're done, press the adjust button. Okay, now if you want to start the timer, just press this one, the search button, and then to pause, use this one also, and to reset, use the adjust button like this. Okay, and then let's just run, and let's see after the timer is finished. So 3, 2, 1, and now the timer goes off. Okay, it gives a beeping sound like this. Okay, and done. Now let's move on to the next mode, and that is this one, the stopwatch. There are two usual ways to use the stopwatch. First is this one, start, stop, and then reset. Okay, and then the other one is using a split time. So start using this one, the search button, and then split time using this one, the adjust button. Okay, and now it shows 5 seconds, 33 hundredths of a second, and now the time is still running in the background. If I want to continue to see the time, press again the adjust button, and it jump to 17, 18, and so on. Okay, again, if you want to see the split time, use this button again, and so on. And if you want to stop the stopwatch, press this one, the search button, and reset again using the adjust button. Okay, and yeah, that's all for the settings and operations of this watch, Casio AE-1000. And I hope I didn't miss anything, but if you want to add something, some explanation or some tips, please put in the comment. That will be helpful for all of us, the viewer and also myself. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.